What if logging in was as easy as following the beat of your own soul? Because why settle for security when you could have fun?
So before I get into the demo, I'd like to make a disclaimer that there's very clearly zero front end whatsoever. This is because I have no idea how to implement it, but the principles remain the same. And I'm sure the project could be further extended in the future to various applications that require password verification. So now I will demo this with a iconic rhythm. I've already created a user profile that uses the Super Mario Bros. Theme, and we will attempt to log in as such. Wow! And as you can see, our login is successful as we have put in the Mario theme. We can test this works just for similarity and log out again. And this time we'll put in some random rhythms. And we will see that the probability is near 0. And our login has failed. Now, we can try to log back into Mario. And once we are successful, we are able to store some data in here. So for example, age, we can say Mario is 52, and we can view that data as we're still logged in, and we can see this age data right here. And just for a visual representation of Mario's login rhythm, we can enter 5. This is just for curiosity's sake, but this is what the distribution for Mario's key inputs show. So in this next section, we're going to demo how we create a new user and how this works. So first, we will enter 1 and then enter a username, and this will be the identifier for the new account. And next, you can choose any rhythm. Think of anything simple like the song stuck in your head or just any random pattern. It's not about what you type, it's about how you type. And basically the program will log your typing speed and time between keystrokes to create a unique rhythm that will serve as your password. To ensure accuracy, this rhythm is typed multiple times, which helps the system create a distribution. The more times, the better, just for sampling purposes. And that's it. Now your profile is complete, and the next time you log in, you can simply type your rhythm and the system should recognize you. Alright, and just for demonstration's sake, we can show visually how these distributions of rhythms are built once profiles are created. I've added another plot in Visualize Rhythms that takes an input plot and compares it to Mario's stored plot. So, for example, we can act like we're creating the Mario account all over again. We'll input the rhythm one time here. And we can see on this plot. So what happens if we input more data? And how about even more data? As we can see, these graphs begin to get more similar and the verification becomes more accurate. And just to visualize how this works on the other end, we can visualize some imposter rhythms. So if we just enter some random rhythms here. We can see that this distribution definitely does not line up with Mario and will not give a similarity score. So, will rhythmVault replace passwords? Certainly not, but I hope you had fun watching this video and have a nice night.